Hello, teacher and classmates. I am student Victor Alfonso Pinzón Verdeza, student of English 4, Military University, Bogota, Colombia. I am going to talk about the activity number 2 of English 4 of my course. My presentation is named My Country Influencer. My country influencer. I am going to talk about some things of my beautiful country. This podcast or this video is for people like want to go to Colombia and take some vacations here and take a beautiful moments in my country. I recommend my country. I think that my country is very special because here there are so many weather, so many dishes, so many different places you can go to travel, go to rest, and I love my country. I like to travel a lot and I visit some beautiful places in my country and I think you can come and enjoy your vacations here. Uh, Let me show you some beautiful places and things that you can do if you can and if you want to come to Colombia. Colombia has many beautiful features, and much of my country is covered with rain, forests, and beautiful mountains. The highest mountain in Colombia is in Santa Marta. It's called Sierra Nevada, and it's about 5,775 meters height. And Colombia borders with the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean too. There are a lot of fabulous beaches like Cartagena, Vallasolano, and Guajira Peninsula. It's a great area. These are some great area to explore. There's a lot of beautiful rivers and different places of my country. I think the longest river in Colombia is the Magdalena River, and this one crosses all part of my country, and there are many interesting places to visit. And for other side, there are very historic cities to with so many nice old buildings, like in Bogota, Santa Marta, and others. The most exciting place to visit here, I think, that is Bogota. Here you can visit museums and delicious restaurants. You can eat a lot of world dishes. In my opinion, you can take a lot of photos and beautiful places in the city in Bogota. I think that you can spend some time also in the business shopping. You can buy many things in the center of the city. I think the fastest way to travel around in the city is by taxi, but I think that is cheapest. I but it's better to walk around in the place where you when you walk when you stayed. Sorry. Uh, I think that at the end of the each day, you can take a delicious dinner in some restaurant, and I recommend you that you keep warm. You have to use a good jacket. But if you want a warm place, I recommend you a beautiful city in my country is Santa Marta City. It's an excellent idea to rest and go to an amazing beaches. You can go and find people of different countries there. Also, there are amazing hotels for all the prices. You can choose an expensive or a cheapest hotel, depends if you of your money. And the weather there is very hot all the time, so you can take care with some sunburn. Or I recommend you that you have to carry your sunscreen. For last one, another good city or my country is Cucuta City. That's an amazing place because you can go to different towns around the city. One of there is Pamplona. I think Pamplona is a big town. It's an interesting place because you can visit a lot of beautiful churches and pray. But in this place, the weather is very cold all the time. When you finish to visit Pamplona, you can return to Cucuta, and the weather there is very hot. So in this city, you can buy some things and souvenirs. You can go to shopping, a place in a town. You can visit a place in a town named Villa del Rosario. This is a near place to Cucuta and is historic too. You can walk around cultural places there. So I think in general you can rest and take a shower in a river or different rivers that are there. The food is great. The food is great because there are many beautiful family restaurants and all kind of food that you can enjoy in these places. So this is all. I think that is a beautiful place you can visit in my country. Thank you.